So, good day everyone. I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing a delay with your Shopify payment payouts. And I understand that your Shopify payment payouts have been delayed on pending for about a couple of days or even a week right now. So, you might be wondering why, and I'd be pleased to offer some advice here. So have you seen the pending status next to the several orders placed on your store? So pending transactions are often for sales that you've made but haven't been credited to your bank account via Shopify payment payout. So your customer appear to be wondering where their orders are, but since the order payments appear to be processing, I understand why would you want to ensure that you are successfully paid before executing the orders. So it is conceivable that you have chosen a longer than usual payout schedule in your settings. So you can view your payout schedule by going to settings and then click payout, and then next click Shopify payments manage, and then select the payout schedule that you wanted. Aside from that, you can also check these 5 steps to address the issue that you are in right now. So first is you need to contact Shopify support. So you need to explain to them what is happening in your pending transactions. With that, they will be able to look into the pending payouts and give you more particular details and information as well as assistance. Second is that you need to verify your payment settings. So you need to check your Shopify admin panel's payout settings again. Review that your bank account information is correct and it is up to date. So if you find any problems with your payout settings, make an appropriate updates, and of course don't forget to save them. Third is that you need to check for any notifications or requirements. So payouts that are still pending sometimes do so because you need to provide more details or take a certain steps. Pay attention to any notices or messages Shopify sends you on your payouts to be sure that you have met all the requirements needed. So next is you need to review your payment schedule. So you need to examine the schedule of your payment providers such as the Shopify payment. So some payment providers have different payout schedules which may impact the timing of your payout. So make sure that you are aware of the payout schedule and that your customers have reasonable expectations. Lastly is you need to communicate with your customers. So keep your customers updated on these issues. So send an email to your customers or update your store's communication channels such as the announcement bar or your social media account. Of course, this is to inform them of the payment delay and reassure them that their purchases will be shipped as soon as possible. So remember to contact Shopify support directly if you require particular help with your account and the situation you are in. They will be able to give you with the most accurate information and assist you in resolving the problem. So if you can still figure out what's going on with this pending transaction and your Shopify admin or resources above don't help you to provide more insight, reach out to their support team via the help center and they can take a closer look to those transactions and see what's going on. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps and that your payment problem will rectified as soon as possible. Thank you.